everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kalpana. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and cheerful. My name is Kalpana Gangwar and I am back with completely new topic. So please watch this video till the end. I make sure this video would be helpful to improve your English speaking and to start English speaking. So, and friends, if you like my effort to improve my English speaking, please like, subscribe and share. Now, without further ado, let's get into video. I'm going to talk about if we know how to read English, if we know how to write English, reading and writing is not a big challenge. Just because we learn English as a subject in schools, in colleges. That's why reading and writing is not a big challenge. Okay, so please, and what is the big challenge? And big challenge is that English speaking is a big challenge. English speaking is a big challenge. And why is English speaking is a big challenge? And the answer is when we talk in English, we have fear. We have fear making mistakes. We have fear if we shall speak wrong, people laugh at us. And we have hesitation, and our hesitation stop us to speak in English. Our hesitation stop us to move forward. So English speaking, that's why English speaking is a big challenge. And if someone speaks English so well, then we feel nervous. We feel nervous and we do not try to speak in English. That's why just because we feel our speaking is wrong, and then our confidence level goes down. And but guys, how to overcome all these challenges? How to overcome all these fears? And if someone speaks so well, we should not judge anyone. If that person wants to learn English, that person try to speak in English. If we speak so well, then we can help to improve mistakes. Okay, so and how to overcome all these challenges? And only speaking is the solution of all these problems. If we speak, and guys, success does not get in a single day. When we want to learn any work, when we want to learn English language, then we have to work hard. Then we have to take out some time to learn English. Okay, and to learn English, and I take out time to make video to improve my English speaking, and with this excuse my English, my practice will continue. That's why I make video to improve my English speaking. Then if you want to, and whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to learn, then you have to work hard. And if we want to learn English, then we have to take time to learn English. If you are dedicated to learn English, try to speak, and then speaking is not a big challenge for us if we speak. And if we are not speak, this is a big challenge for us. Okay, so try to speak. See you again, and thanks for watching.